We are going to show you how to recover Gmail account without phone number and recovery email. In case if you have lost access to your Gmail account, either someone has hacked your Gmail account or you are facing two-step verification issue, still you can regain access to your Gmail account. So first of all, you have to navigate Google app. Hold the Google app, tap on app information, tap on permissions, tap on location, tap on don't allow anyway. Minimize this one. Now you have to navigate Google Chrome browser. Hold the Google Chrome browser, tap on app information, tap on permissions, tap on location, tap on don't allow anyway. Now you have to go back. And then here you will see the last option, open by default, tap on it. And then here you will see the last option, clear defaults, tap on it. Minimize this one. Now you have to open Google Play Store and you have to download and install Spin Safe browser. After installation, open this browser. And then here you have to open google.com. And then tap on sign in. Now here you have to enter the Gmail account that you want to recover. And then tap on next. And then here Google will ask you to enter your password. So you have already forgotten your password, simply tap on forgot password. And then here Google will ask you about two-step verification. So either you have lost your phone or you don't have access to your phone number, simply tap on try another way. And then you will land here, and here you will see this kind of error could not sign you in. Now here you have to keep one thing in your mind, you don't have to tap on try again. If you will tap on try again and you will try again and again, your Google account will be locked. Simply minimize from here. Now you have to navigate the settings option from your phone. Tap on settings. Scroll down. And you have to navigate the Google option. Tap on Google. And then you will land here. Here you will see option Google services. And then here at the top right side you will see three dots. Tap on it. And here help option will appear. Tap on it. And then you will land here. Here in the bottom you will see search help. Tap on this option. And here you have to type. And then here this option will appear. Tap on this option. And you will land here. And then here you will see option Google Authenticator. Tap on this option. And then here you will see learn more about two-step verification. Tap on this option. Scroll down. And then here you will see the second last option, how does two-step verification work if I don't have my phone. Tap on this option. A drop-down menu will appear. And then here you will see make sure your recovery information is complete. Tap on this option. And you will land here. Here you will see avoid getting locked out of your Google account. Here you will see three options. Your password is forgotten. Second option, your phone is lost. Third option, your account is hacked. Scroll down. And then here you will see option fix problems. Can't sign in. Here you will see first option, you forgot your password. Second option, someone changed your password. Third option, someone deleted your account. Fourth option, you can't sign in for another reason. So you have to just tap on this go to account recovery page. A pop-up notification will appear. From here you have to select Spin browser. It will automatically redirect you to Spin browser. And then you will land here. And here you will see account recovery. Recover your Google account. Now here you have to enter the Gmail account that you want to recover. And then tap on next. And then here success option will appear. Further you will see two options, change password, continue. Simply tap on change password. And then you will land here on password change dashboard. Now here you have to set a strong password. First of all you have to decide your new password. And then you have to confirm your new password. Scroll down. And then tap on change password. Here you can see changing password, your password was changed. Now quickly you have to go to security and you have to update your mobile number and recovery email, so the hacker cannot recover your account again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.